Today we're going to be learning how to do stop motion animation. We'll look at 3 different apps, so no matter what device you have at home, you'll have a way to make a stop motion. If you're using a desktop computer or any Windows, Mac, or Chromebook laptop, if you install the Google Chrome browser, there's a free app that you can install from the Chrome Web Store that will let you make stop motion animations. Just Google Stopmotion Animator Chrome and follow these steps to get it installed. A stop-motion animation is really just a series of photographs with very small changes between each photo. You can set up a scene using anything you have at home, from toys to even a ball of Play-Doh or things that you can find outside. The smaller the movements you make between each photo, the more seamless your animation will look after you're finished. In this app, you can hit the play button at any time to see your work without losing anything, and then you can just go back to hitting capture again. There's lots of tools built into the app that help you take a great video. If you made a mistake, like took a picture of your finger, you can hit the undo button to delete the last photo that you took. You can hit play at any time to sample the work that you've completed. And when you're finished recording all the photos, you can hit the record audio button to record yourself doing voiceovers on top to tell the story. This app does not automatically save like a lot of other programs, so remember to hit save every once in a while to make sure you don't lose any of your work. Lastly, the clear button does just that. It will delete all the photos you took. Click OK if you're sure, or cancel if you've clicked this by mistake. If you are using a phone or a tablet device to record stop motion, go to your device's App Store and find the Stopmotion Studio app. The version of this app with the blue icon is a free version. Just like in the other app, we want to be making really small movements to make our video look more fluid when we're done. This iPad's camera likes to refocus after every time my hand gets in the way, so make sure you give it time to focus. Lastly, if you don't have access to a webcam or a device with a camera built in, you can use Google Slides to make a stop motion animation. Visit bit.ly/makestopmotion for a full video tutorial on how you can make a stop motion using Google Slides. Have fun making your stop motion animation, and be sure to share all your brilliant work with us.